For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering buying the Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen but unsure if it's worth your hard-earned cash? But here's what surprised me about this device: its versatility. Therefore, I'm going to dive deep into its features and help you decide whether or not this tablet is right for you. The Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen is a powerful device that offers an immersive experience with its stunning display, long-lasting battery life, and seamless integration with other Apple devices. However, there's more to it than meets the eye. Therefore, let's take a closer look at what makes this tablet stand out from the competition. With a 10.2-inch Retina display, the Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen provides an impressive viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or working on documents. But I have to say that its performance is not limited to just entertainment purposes. Therefore, let's explore some of its other key features. The Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen comes with an A14 Bionic chip, which provides a boost in speed and efficiency, making it perfect for tasks such as editing videos, playing games, or running multiple apps simultaneously. However, what really caught my attention was its camera capabilities. Therefore, let's take a closer look at the camera features. The Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen boasts a 12-megapixel rear camera with advanced features like portrait mode, smart HDR, and video recording in 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS. But I was surprised to see how well it performed in low-light conditions. Therefore, if you're looking for a tablet that can capture high-quality photos and videos on the go, this one might be worth considering. Now let's talk about storage and memory. The Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen is available in 3 different storage options: 32 GB, 64 GB, or 128 GB with 3 GB of RAM. However, I would recommend opting for the higher storage capacity if you plan on storing a lot of files, photos, and videos on your device. Therefore, make sure to check the specifications carefully before making a purchase. One of the standout features of the Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen is its long-lasting battery life. But what really impressed me was its ability to charge quickly using the fast charger that comes with the device. Therefore, if you're always on the go and need a device that can keep up with your lifestyle, this one might be worth considering. Now, let's discuss some of the additional features that come with the Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen. It supports Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard, making it perfect for note-taking, working on documents, or creating digital artwork. However, I would recommend investing in these accessories separately if you plan on using them frequently. Another feature worth mentioning is its seamless integration with other Apple devices using the continuity feature. But what really caught my attention was its ability to share files and photos between devices easily. Therefore, if you're already invested in the Apple ecosystem, this tablet might be a great addition to your collection. In conclusion, the Apple iPad 10.2 9th Gen is a powerful device that offers an immersive experience with its stunning display, long-lasting battery life, and seamless integration with other Apple devices. However, it's essential to consider your specific needs before making a purchase. Therefore, I recommend checking out the specifications carefully and reading reviews from other customers to make an informed decision. For those who are still unsure, let me reiterate that this tablet is perfect for anyone looking for a device that can keep up with their lifestyle, whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to stay entertained on the go. Therefore, click the link in the description below to get the best price and make your purchase today.